Day 32 of the garden. It is a beautiful sunshiny day. And I'm so grateful for this beautiful morning. And look at all the growth. It's been raining all week and everything has just bloomed and grown. Uh-oh. I see potential fruit. I see a flower on the watermelon. Looking forward to that harvest for sure. All of the squash are growing. So many of them. I am going to start to harvest. I see a couple of them look a little challenged, so I'm going to go ahead and take them off. And then I see a few of them that are growing beautifully, and I'll leave them on just to grow a little bit more. Strawberries spreading. I see all kinds of bloom, and oh, look at that, little strawberries. The lemon thyme. Oh, look at the ladybug. Pretty. Plenty of water in that, so that's doing well. I see new cucumber growing, and this cucumber is growing so much it's going over the ledge. So it's doing great, but look at that cucumber. It's going to be ready for harvesting very, very soon. There goes another ladybug hanging out on the spinach. Have the dill, carrots. I think that carrot might be ready to come on out the ground, and the beet looks like it too. Oh my goodness, I see carrots in different spots. So I might just go ahead and harvest one of them. Look at the beautiful bloom on the zucchini. I did harvest one yesterday because it was very large and ready, so I'm going to prepare something nice with it. I'm looking forward to having additional fruit, having additional zucchini from that plant. Here go the flowers, the sage thyme. Oh, I love these purple flowers, the petunias. Purple is my favorite color, and it is all over in full bloom. Beautiful fuchsia flowers, parsley. You know, it's really interesting. I always thought parsley was very small, but the leaves are pretty big, so they're pretty hardy. And I have used some of those in dishes. That chamomile is growing, so it looks like it's tea time. The spinach, very hardy. I have actually been making my garden making my salad out of this garden of spinach and using these romaine leaves for wraps for meals. This tomato tree, I see more and more tomatoes in different spots. Oh my goodness, so I think we're going to have a really good harvest. I just purchased some cherry tomatoes, and I think hopefully that will be the last purchase I'll have to make. I see the basil is hanging in there, and it's beautiful. It tastes good. The verbena is still growing tall and strong. I tell you what, this curly mint, I've been using it and cutting it back, but it just keeps growing back. And look at that pepper. It is growing bigger and bigger every day. Looking forward to its transformation to a red pepper. Beautiful lavender. And look at these lavender buds. Beautiful. Not only does it smell great, it looks beautiful. And look at this corn on the cob. It's going to be tall as me after a while. Looking forward to this transformation. I really have no idea of what it will look like when it starts to produce corn. But this is day 32 of the garden. It's a beautiful morning, and I woke up with a smile and decided to come outside. I am just so grateful for this beautiful, beautiful day 32 of the garden.